guys, so I'm going to do this today. So I'm going to do a funny video. We're doing my Southwest Trainspotting and Ghosts and Trains. And we're going to
first.
and we're going to do lift filming for some students. Because we feel like it. We'll feel like it. We're all going to do it. Yeah. So we're at platform 5 and 6. So let's open the lift. Shall I open it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right, we're going up to platforms 5 and 6. Here we go. Oh, I love the smell. Oh, platform.
It smells new, doesn't it?
Yeah. I love the smell.
I think they can replace.
Let's say goodbye. No, I can't see can we? Woo! There we go. Ooh. There we go. This is platform. Here we go. So we are now at platform. So now at Taunton platform. Doors opening. Here you go then, guys. We're now on. I'll see you in a minute. This is going down.
Doors closing.
Doors closing. Bye. 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 Okay then, guys. We are back in the lift again, and we are going up. No, down. And the doors are about to open.
Subway.
So we can find Ghosts and Trains, or you might have gone to a different lift or somewhere. We never know. Ready? Doors opening. Hi! I'm opening the lift.
Alright, I'm going to race the lift.
Doors opening. Lift going up.
Race the lift.
Are you coming in?
No, I'm going to race the lift. What's best, the stairs or lift?
You can go in. You go.
Doors closing. Doors opening.
Right, should we race the
Doors
lift?
closing.
Right, wait till the doors are fully shut and then let's race it. That's going to be hard. Don't run. Right, go. Kidding, guys. We're not going to win this. Quite simply. He's probably already up. He's probably already up, isn't he? He'll already be up. Yeah, he'll be up. Wait by now. Ready to go some planes. Ready? He'll already be up. We've lost. Oh. Whoa, it was joined. We arrived up the stairs when the door was opening. It's joined, everyone. Here comes the lift, everybody. Single subscribers. It's chasing. Lift open. It's going down. Let's go to the subway, I think. I think we should go to the
Get
subway.
back from the doors, Jake.
Opening. Lift going down.
Am I ready?
Doors closing.
I think you stopped the lift. I think you stopped the doors from going from shutting earlier.
Let's go. That was very
Awkward.
Yeah.
Subway.
So that's where I'm going to end my video. If you enjoyed it, please do drop a like and subscribe. It's a little funny short video. It's a lot to be tonight. And I'll see you later. Bye. Doors open. Yay.